There is nothing wrong with drinking directly from the demijohn. Well, okay. You shouldn't really, but everybody does it at one stage or other. They can't be bothered to bottle and they just drink the whole demijohn. You'll often see in my wine videos that I sometimes sprinkle it in, sometimes I make up a yeast starter. I don't have any rhyme or reason as to why I do one or the other. Generally, it all depends on how the mood takes me and if I can be bothered to make up a yeast starter. If I know my yeast is good, because I've made previous batches the same day, I'm going to take a risk on it. I would highly recommend you use a champagne yeast for a champagne style wine. It helps create that champagne flavour, that champagne dryness, and it helps the bubbles stay active in the glass when you pour it. Wine bottles are a big bugbear of mine. People like to reuse wine bottles and beer bottles if you're making beer. And that is fine. All of my wine bottles are reused and that is fine. But what I've seen a lot of people doing is leaving the original labels on wine bottles and then filling up the bottle with a homebrew. Big bugbear of mine. The labels are stuck on with glue. Glue is sticky. Stickiness attracts dust and dust attracts bacteria. You might have poured a litres worth of bleach into the inside of the bottle, but if you have an unsanitised manky outside of the bottle with the label still stuck on, with all that glue and dust, God knows how this bottle is, all of the bacteria that's stuck around that label and the outside of the unwashed bottle will make its way into the inside. And the outside of the bottle still manky. Big bugbear of mine. Also, people have the tendency to leave the dust covers on their wine bottles. They recycle the bottles, but they don't remove either the foil or the paper elements at the top of the neck. Same principles as the label. It is majorly manky under there. If you remove them, have a look at all the junk that is gathered. It may be fantastic on the tongue. It may look beautiful in the glass. It may be heaven on the nose. But if you serve a manky bottle in front of your guests, they're going to think that your home brew is already of a lesser quality than a shop-bought bottle. And that isn't the impression you want to give to people who you're serving your wine to. Anyway, that's just my bugbear. That's just my thing about wine bottles. Why not step up the mark? And if you're going to go through the effort of making a wine, make it and serve it in the best possible way you can. You are recording. You are recording. Another great question today, coming right the way up. The first thing you need for this recipe is 2 pounds of potatoes. And that is, what wine yeast should you use? Fancy a bacon butty. This jumper? Why do I always wear this jumper? Well now, very simple answer. I always wear this jumper for filming because the rest of my jumpers contain blue. I like blue, I do, but the reason I don't wear them for filming is because my background is blue. And if I wear a blue jumper or a jumper with bits of blue in, I start to disappear and become more transparent. Last thing you want to see is just a floating head if I wear a blue jumper. That's why I always wear this jumper.